Recording. What are you doing there, buddy? You just stall out? Did you just break? What just happened there? Always putting the tree together. Papa fixed the lights. They were broken. So the red car is positive, and the black car is negative. What happens if you touch both cars? If we're in ohms, you should see a resistance across it from your body. Now you're in picofarads, a measurement of capacitance. We have all the toys in the world you could possibly think of. All those toys, all those toys, all those toys, and he plays with my multimeter.
Okay. Yes, Papa. No, Papa.
Say bye.
Eddie, I need